So, for the exam, guys, and I'm recording the video now for this, so it'll be up there on a separate video. Important exam information. The exam is tomorrow. Okay. 6/18, 2020. All right. It's on Blackboard. Learn. Under the assignments section. It will be open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for you to take it. Under the course content, I uploaded for you a periodic table. In one upload, there's a periodic table and conversions that you might need. So you could download that and have it open for you. Once you start the exam, okay, once you start the exam, you can't stop. Now you could go back on the questions, you can go answer it and then go back and check your work, but you can't stop. There is a time limit. I think I gave 100 minutes, 120 minutes. I think I gave 100 minutes, which is an hour and 40, but the exam is geared for an hour. So 140 should be, 100 minutes, 40 extra minutes should give you plenty of time. It will just sign you out, and wherever you are, complete the exam. Do not hit the back button. Do not hit refresh. If you do, it'll log you right out of the exam. Okay? It is multiple choice, but they are problems. It's just like an exam I would give in a lecture where you would have to work out the work. But instead of you having just to show the work and circle it, there's multiple choice. You have to pick the right one. So it's not just definition. So on there is scientific notation. On there is conversions. On there is density. On there is isotopes. Naming compounds. Everything we've done, scientific notation. If I break it down in literal order, if I remember right, there's temperature conversions, there's regular conversions, there's sig figs, there's density, there's isotopes, there's naming compounds, and there is scientific notation. So 7 different topics in that order. It shouldn't, Tori, if you're switching tabs. But it will if you refresh and it is graded automatically, Brittany. So as soon as you're done, it'll tell you what you got wrong and what your grade is. So on my end, I kind of like that, but I don't like the fact the multiple choice. But for you guys to have to work it out, take pictures, and then half the time I can't see the pictures, half of the time you guys don't have a scanner. It's just easier this way. Okay, so you'll have to be able to do all of that stuff. You'll have to be able to pick the right formula for the name, pick the name for the formula, things like that. Okay. I believe I have 19 questions up there. Like I said, Aliza, 19 questions, 100 minutes. Once you start it, make sure you could sit down for that time period to complete it. Because you can't start it and stop. Okay? So that's my first announcement on here. My second announcement is this. Chapter 4. Okay? Chapter 4 is where we were, where I was in spring semester Chem 1, because we offer it in both semesters at LCC, when COVID started. So I already have the lectures completed. I have them in 5 different lectures. Okay? There's 5 different lectures that cover each topic individually for Chapter 4. There will be the 5 lectures uploaded today. Okay? On YouTube. For you to watch this weekend. Take notes. And come Monday, us go over it. Now, what that'll do is, that will complete Chapter 3 and Chapter 4, which means our next exam is probably going to be a week tomorrow. And then Chapter 5 and 6 will be what the final is. And I'll pick up with Chapter 7 and 8 when we start Chem 2. Okay, so there'll be 5 Chapter 4 lectures up on our YouTube page for you to watch, come ask questions, and get ready for our next exam. So, again, I don't want to overwhelm, so that's why I'm putting it up Thursday, so that you can watch the 5 lectures Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and then come and talk. That gives us 5 days. Okay. Actually, if you wanted to watch one today, too, that's up to you. I think the exam's pretty good. I got 100 on it, so you shouldn't be worried. All right. Always related to the homework, Anish. If you could do the homework, you're going to be fine for the exam.